Now we focus on essential considerations, strategies, and tactics in mobile marketing. Mobile marketers must understand specific elements such as consumer behaviors and technological preferences to design effective marketing plans. By leveraging the right strategies and tactics, marketers can improve engagement, increase conversions, and create lasting consumer relationships through mobile channels. A successful mobile marketing plan should adopt a mobile first strategy, addressing all mobile components of a marketing approach. This plan includes essential elements such as digital objectives, marketing objectives, strategies, and tactics. We should also include privacy considerations and performance measurement. In Exhibit 9-2, we see an outline of these key sections guiding marketers in developing comprehensive mobile marketing strategy. Mobile marketing allows organizations to target consumers precisely based on factors like device type, mobile app engagement, purchasing habits, and location. Marketers can also tailor campaigns using demographic data, preferred language, and behavior analysis. By considering these factors, marketers create a highly relevant and impactful message that resonates with their target audiences. Implementing a location-based targeting strategy, such as geofencing, allows marketers to deliver content only to users within a specified area. This method increases relevancy by reaching consumers in real time within their specific locations. Common types of location-based communication include push notifications, mobile ads, and geotexting. All of those enhance the consumer experience by providing timely and location-relevant information. Brands can utilize competitive strategies within location-based marketing to attract consumers from rival businesses. So let's take a look at an example. Burger King exemplified this approach with its 1-cent Whopper promotion. Consumers at a nearby McDonald's received a prompt directing them to the nearest Burger King by their location, incentivizing them to visit by offering a low-cost deal. The strategy effectively captures competitor traffic and turns potential customers into loyal customers. Developing a mobile app involves determining whether to build it in-house or use an external service, based on budget and expertise. Organizations can use app building tools like Salesforce that require minimal coding skills, or work with external developers to ensure a user-friendly design. Key considerations include identifying the target audience, defining app functionalities, and establishing user expectations to optimize app effectiveness. Promoting a mobile app requires a mix of paid and organic strategies to boost visibility and downloads. Marketers can create engaging video content, write informative blog posts, and optimize for mobile searches. Paid advertising, such as Apple Search ads and retargeting campaigns, improve app installs by reminding users to download the app. Marketers also set a target cost per install, TCPI, to control promotion costs and maximize returns. Playable ads on platforms like Facebook allow consumers to try out a mobile game or app within the ad itself. This interactive experience engages consumers and increases the likelihood of app installations. The example here shows a gaming app with a prominent call to action encouraging users to tap to try. This format provides a hands-on preview, an experience, if you will, improving conversion rates by giving users a taste of the app before they install. Popular app stores like Apple App Store and Google Play display various apps across categories, including popular ones like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Spotify. This visibility can attract consumers to download these apps. App Store optimization, ASO, plays a crucial role in an app's success. ASO focuses on enhancing an app's visibility within app stores, making it easier for potential users to find it and download it. You also want to think about how this might apply if your company or service has used a platform-based app. So for example, in the case of gyms, you might think about MindBody or Vagaro, or apps in that category. If you decide that you want to go with a fully custom app or a different developer and know that people will have to download that, you may want to consider a specific campaign of ASO specifically to target those you need to install a different app. The App Store page serves as the landing page for a mobile app, much like a website's landing page. This page should appeal to users and encourage downloads. Key elements include the app's name, icon, description, keywords, and screenshots. Each aspect should highlight the app's features and benefits, demonstrating its value to users. And I highly encourage you to make sure that you're reviewing the copy yourself or are within your team. Very often we use outside vendors to create these apps, and they can just ask you for copy that maybe isn't very dynamic and doesn't allow you to adapt, change, and reflect the true functionality of the app as you want it to appear and make it as appealing as possible for that download. Duolingo provides a strong example of effective App Store page content. It features a quote from the Wall Street Journal to build credibility, mentions that users can learn over 30 languages for free, and highlights its status as the most downloaded education app. Each statement aims to attract users by showcasing the app's value, reliability, and popularity. Reviews significantly influence a user's decision to download or use an app. For example, Airbnb has a high rating with millions of reviews, which assures users of the app's credibility and functionality. Users can explore various accommodations and complete bookings directly through the app. High ratings and reviews enhance consumer trust and app use. ADP Mobile Solution, a human resources app, must respond actively to reviews due to the importance of its services. By addressing issues raised in reviews, ADP demonstrates its commitment to customer service and responsiveness. Responding to reviews, especially negative ones, is often essential for maintaining a positive brand image, but ensure that you always create a measured response and never get personal. App Store rankings further influence downloads and usage. Rankings rely on multiple factors, including app name, keywords, engagement, and downloads. Maintaining a high App Store rating can enhance user trust and encourage downloads. Factors like frequent updates and positive reviews help maintain or improve an app's ranking, fostering user interest. An app's name impacts search results and discoverability. A name should not be too generic, should be easy to pronounce and remember, and should convey something relevant about the app. An effective app name enhances brand recognition and searchability within app stores. The app icon represents the app and should be distinct, memorable, and aligned with brand identity. The icon should resonate with its users and communicate the app's purpose. Additionally, it should be scalable across different sizes and meet both App Store guidelines and the organization's design standards, contributing to a cohesive brand experience. Spotify provides a clear example of brand alignment between its website logo and app icon. The website logo includes the brand name within a white circle, while the app icon is a green circle with a distinctive design that users easily associate with Spotify. Maintaining consistency across brand elements ensures recognizability through frequent changes to the icon can be less than effective and are definitely not recommended. Mobile app design should focus on enhancing customer experience, CX, emphasizing usability and desirability. Key principles include aesthetic usability, a user-friendly interface, interaction design, and information architecture. These elements ensure that the app remains accessible, easy to use, and provides a seamless experience for users, which fosters engagement and retention. Target's app design prioritizes user experience by placing essential features in easy-to-navigate locations. The search bar is prominent, helping users find products quickly, while the menu provides direct access to key categories like weekly ads and special offers. Additionally, the app highlights savings through bold colors and accessible buttons for various product categories. The approach encourages frequent use and simplifies the shopping process. Google's Material Design System is a comprehensive toolkit for developers, providing elements that enhance app usability, accessibility, and visual appeal. Material design includes adaptable components like buttons and menus and supports personalization and accessibility, making it easier for developers to create user-centered Android apps. Effective app design requires avoiding unnecessary complexity. Apps with excessive functionality or options can overwhelm users, while dull designs and inconsistent elements detract from the user experience. Slow performance or frequent crashes lead to frustration, pushing users to abandon the app. Mobile apps benefit from carefully selected features that deliver value to users. Chat functionality allows instant customer support, and targeted push notifications can remind users of relevant information or offers. A seamless purchasing process, social media integration, and device synchronization enhance convenience and engagement. Combining these features can effectively drive conversions. Security and privacy are critical for app users. Offering multi-factor authentication, MFA, enhances account protection by requiring multiple verification steps. Providing users with options to adjust privacy settings, including opting out, demonstrates a commitment to respect user preference and build trust. In-app advertising includes various formats, such as display and video ads, as well as native ads that blend into the app's environment. A clear example shows how transparency in ad labeling, like sponsored tags, helps avoid user confusion. In-app ads often aim to increase user interactions, such as clicks or views, to support app engagement. Retention strategies are essential to keep users engaged with an app. By delivering personalized promotions, notifications, and valuable features, marketers can reduce app uninstall rates. Regularly gathering user feedback and offering updates based on insights helps build loyalty. Pre-installing apps on devices can also help with user retention, as users are less likely to remove them. ADA considerations are crucial in app development. Design elements such as larger fonts, bold headlines, and accessible color choices support inclusivity for users with disabilities. Following web content accessibility guidelines promotes apps that are perceptible, operable, and understandable, enhancing usability across diverse user groups. Texting campaigns can be a valuable tool for smaller businesses lacking app resources or those that have to operate outside the boundaries of apps themselves. Text-based promotions, confirmations, and customer service messages allow businesses to engage consumers effectively. Additionally, feedback surveys sent via text provide insights on consumer preferences and satisfaction, enabling continuous improvement in near real time.